here, space isn't given, it's found. Total concentration. Every mirror, every lane, every blind spot, monitored in milliseconds. When the highway gridlocks, the real ride begins. Entering the main artery now, peak hour, a wall of stationary steel. For a driver, this is a standstill. For a rider, it's a dynamic puzzle. Read the rhythm of the road, look for the lanes moving a fraction faster. That's where erratic lane changers strike, dropping into the pocket. Ride defensively with authority. Never linger in a blind spot. If you can't see their face in their mirror, they don't know you're there. Anticipate cars without turn signals. Read the front wheels of vehicles, not their brake lights. A traffic jam is a living psychological ecosystem. Drivers aren't paying attention. They're checking phones, checking GPS, or completely zoned out. You have to do the thinking for them. Hover over the brake, check your escape route, and wait for gaps to widen. Pure audio brake, cracking exhaust, gear clicks and lane splitting sounds. Always need a backup plan. Never ride directly. Check your engine temperature gauge periodically. Position in the outer third of the lane minimizes airflow to your radiator, past causing heat buildup. Watch the bike runs too hot. Look for opportunities to pick up speed safely. You'll find an exit. Managing a heavy machine at walking pace is pure physics. Keep boots locked on the pegs. Drag your rear brake to create a tension. It stabilizes the chassis and stops the front end from diving. Balance the clutch friction zone to track straight. Lanes compress into concrete barriers near construction zones. This is high risk. There are no shoulders left. If a heavy truck swings wide, there is nowhere to go. Patience beats ego. Let commercial vehicles clear the pinch point first. Traffic is compressing further. Gaps shrink 2 inches. This is where mental fatigue sets in. Forearms burn from clutch work and engine heat rises off the asphalt. Lapses in judgment happen here. Keep your chin up, eyes forward. The machine follows your eyes. Pay attention to the gaps between cars in adjacent lanes. If 2 cars are riding perfectly side by side, they form a rolling blockade. Wait behind them until one pulls slightly ahead. Never lock yourself into a corridor with 0 lateral exit routes. Sun glare is an invisible hazard during morning or evening rush hour. If the sun is at your back, drivers ahead are blinded by their mirrors and won't see you. If the sun is in your eyes, your own vision is compromised. Adjust your pace to match visibility. Watch out for debris gathered in the center split or the breakdown lanes. Tire shreds, gravel, and dropped cargo accumulate where cars don't drive. Squeezing too close to the barriers means risking a puncture or a sudden loss of traction. Stay on clean lines. Your brake lever coverage is critical. Keep 2 fingers resting on the front brake lever and your right foot hovering over the rear brake pedal at all times. In heavy traffic, reducing your reaction time by even a quarter of a second can prevent an impact. Finally, the bottleneck brakes. The sea of metal parts way. Smooth roll-on of the throttle, clean air, and another chaotic run cleared. If you want to master the art of the street, hit subscribe. Drop a comment below on your local traffic. Stay sharp and ride safe.